Exercise 4.3 question number 1. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. First part, given linear equation is x plus y equal to 4. First part, question number 1, given linear equation is x plus y equal to 4 and we have to draw its graph. So first of all, let us write this given linear equation x plus y equal to 4 as y is equal to 4 minus x. And then let us write three solutions of this linear equation in this table. When you put in this equation y equal to 4 minus x, x equal to 0, or let us put first x equal to 4, then y equal to 4 minus 4, 0. If you put x equal to 0, then you find y equal to 4 minus 0, that is 4. So for x equal to 0, value of y is 4. When you put x is equal to 2 in this equation in place of x, so y equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So value of y is also 2. So these are three solutions of this given linear equation x plus y equal to 4 written in this table. Here minimum 2 points, 2 solutions if you write, then also graph of the linear equation can be drawn. But 3 solutions you write, it is suggestive, because in case of writing 2 solution and drawing a graph, any error occurs, then you won't be able to check out, because through any 2 points a straight line can be drawn. But if you will have 3 solutions and you will plot 3 points on the graph paper or on a coordinate plane, then the correctness of the graph will be more. And in case any error occurs, 3 lines cannot be along the same straight line. So for this reason, it is suggestive that you write 3 solutions in this table of this given linear equation. Now we shall plot these 3 solutions as 3 points: 4, 0, 0, 4 and 2, 2 on the graph paper, that is on a coordinate plane. So here this is the coordinate plane example of your graph paper. Let us plot these 3 points. First point is 4, 0. So x equal to 4, y equal to 0. So this is the point on x axis. Next point is 0, 4, x equal to 0, y equal to 4. So this point is on y axis, 0, 4. Third point is 2, 2, x equal to 2, y is also equal to 2. So it will be this point, 2, 2. Now using your ruler, draw a straight line joining 3 points like this, and we have got a straight line passing through 3 points: 4, 0, 0, 4 and 2, 2. And this is the graph of the given linear equation x plus y equal to 4. Near this straight line, write the given linear equation x plus y is equal to 4. And this way, this straight line is graph of the given linear equation. Now second part. In this part, given linear equation is x minus y equal to 2, and we have to draw its graph. X minus y is equal to 2. Let us first write this equation as x minus 2 is equal to y. Minus y is transposed from left side to right side, and plus 2 is transposed from right side to left side, and we have got x minus 2 equal to y. Now interchanging the sides, both sides, we get y is equal to x minus 2. Now let us put x equal to 2 in this equation. So when you put x is equal to 2, so value of y you get 2 minus 2, that is 0. And if you put x equal to 0 in this equation, y equal to x minus 2, so 0 minus 2 is value of y. If you put x equal to 4, so y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this way we have written three solutions of this given linear equation x minus y equal to 2, whose graph we have to draw. Now we shall plot points 2, 0, 0, minus 2 and 4, 2 on the graph paper. So let's plot these points on the graph paper. 2, 0. This point is 2, 0. 0, minus 2, x equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. So this point 0, minus 2. 4, 2, x equal to 4, y equal to 2. So this is x equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So this point is 4, 2. Now with the help of your ruler, draw a straight line joining 3 points 2, 0, 0, minus 2 and 4, 2. So this line which is drawn through 3 points 2, 0, 0, minus 2 and 4, 2 is the graph of the linear equation x minus y equal to 2. Near this straight line, write the linear equation x minus y is equal to 2, and arrow heads you will put both sides of the straight line. Now fourth part. Given linear equation is 3 equal to 2x plus y. So question number 1 in fourth part, given linear equation is 3 equal to 2x plus y. Write this equation as y equal to 3 minus 2x. And then by putting different values of x in this equation, find the three solutions of this given linear equation. If you put x equal to 0, so value of y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 0, 3 minus 0, 3. If you put x equal to, let's say 2, so 2 into 2, 4, so value of y is equal to 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. If you put x is equal to 3, then value of y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 3, 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So this way we have written three solutions of this given linear equation 3 equal to 2x plus y, or you can write this linear equation also as 2x plus y is equal to 3, and then y equal to 3 minus 2x. So anyway, we have written 3 solutions of this linear equation in this table. Now we shall plot points 0, 3, 2, minus 1 and 3, minus 3 on the graph paper. So let us plot these 3 given points, 3 solutions of given linear equation on this coordinate plane. 0, 3, x0, y3. So this point 0, 3. 2, minus 1, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. So this point x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. So it will be this point. 2, minus 1. Next point 3, minus 3. So this point is 3 on x-axis, minus 3 on y-axis. So it is going to be this point on the graph paper, minus x equal to 3, y equal to minus 3. So this way we have plotted these 3 points 0, 3, 2, minus 1 and 3, minus 3. Now these 3 points we have to join with the help of ruler and draw a straight line passing through these 3 points. So this way, joining 3 points 0, 3, 2, minus 1 and 3, minus 3, this straight line is drawn, and this is the graph of the linear equation 3 equal to 2x plus y, or you can say 2x plus y equal to 3. So near this straight line, which is graph of the given linear equation, you have to write the given linear equation. You can write 3 is equal to 2x plus y, or even you can write 2x plus y is equal to 3. And this way, graph of this given linear equation 3 equal to 2x plus y is drawn.